Hello, so today I'm going to show you how you can create your website using your Figma design and using the Bolt.new, which is an AI tool that helps you create website so fast. Okay, so first of all, you have to go for your template that you want to create a website for design. Okay, so here I have a lot of templates, so you can go to any of the design template and just double click on it and go to this copy as, and then copy link to selection, and then go to Bolt.new. In here you will see this new feature, which is import from Figma, and just click on it and it will ask you that enter that link here, and then click import. It is fetching your design from Figma. Let's wait for it. Yeah, now it's generating code. By the way, if you need these designs, these sample designs, I'm going to share the link in bio in description, so that you can start with these designs, and if you can use any of the design that you have. Okay, so it started. Okay, let's wait for it. It's starting dependencies, installation of dependencies that are required for this website. So let me show you where I know about these templates and who shared this. If you come here, you see this person on Instagram. From this person I got these links. Okay, I'm sharing with you. So this is the reference. I don't know from where he got this, but he shared these in his video. I'm using that. So it will take some time, but what is going to happen is you have nothing to do. You just imported that Figma design. Now it will create a whole website for you according to that design. Okay, and after that you will just, what you need to do is to just go to this deploy if you want to deploy it, or otherwise you can export the whole code by downloading it to your local machine and then use it for use that code for optimizing it, or if you want to deploy it to your GitHub, you can also do that. Otherwise, if you want to change anything by seeing the preview, if you think that here I need this feature also or anything, you can just come here in this chat option and just type it here that I want this feature at this position or this location. It will include that feature as well, and yeah, that is so simple. In previous video in my previous video I show you another website that is a sample tab that is also much easier, but that will work as from the URL of the any website that you want to clone, and this is another one. Go and use whatever you want to use and whatever works for you, and also don't worry about this error, because there are some errors, but it is or it's solving that error by its own. You don't have to do anything. Yeah, it will take time because it is going to create a whole website after all, so obviously that will gonna take some time, but it is very, if you compare this time with your own development, it is much much lesser than that. So yeah, this is the era, and enjoy and build whatever you want to build in a very little time. Thank you.